Border jumping, robberies and drownings are becoming a concern at the Beitbridge post. Zimbabwean authorities say there's been an increase in criminal activities in the area and are working with the South African Police Services to stem the tide of crime there. Here's eNCA's Zimbabwe correspondent, Pindai Dube, with this report.
Zimbabwean police are on a mission at the Beitbridge border post. Operation Not to Cross Border Crimes has been in full swing since last year. Authorities say thousands of criminals and illegal immigrants have been arrested. Zimbabwean police say they have been working in partnership with the South African police.
We are in constant liaison with our South African counterparts so that we try as much as possible to curb border jumping. We try as much as possible to curb smuggling activity. And I'm happy with the cooperation which we received from our counterparts in the year 2021. We want to urge people from the two countries, even from the whole region, to say when they want to cross the country's points of exit and entry, they must follow the laid down procedures. And also try to save their lives, because some of them have been attacked by robbers. Some of them, currently it's raining. Some have drowned.
But the civic society group Crisis in Zimbabwe Coalition insists the surge in illegal immigration from Zimbabwe is caused by the economic hardships in the country.
The economic, the social and the political factor are causing hardships in this country. 50% of our citizens are in abject poverty, and people are flocking out of the country everywhere where there's an opportunity just to survive. We are in dire situation in this country.
Crime operations between Zimbabwe and South Africa continue at the Beitbridge border post. Pindai Dube, Harare, Zimbabwe.